Hello traders! In the video description you'll find a breakdown of timestamps by topic. This will help you quickly find the part you're interested in. In this video, we'll introduce the RF Trader interface, what parts it consists of, and we'll go through its basic settings. After your first login, you'll see the default layout of the platform, which is made up of 4 parts: quotes, the instrument list on the left side of the screen, the dashboard, account statistics with your profit target, current drawdown, and more. Above it, you'll find the trading view charting, and then there's the bottom and top bar where you can access the basic account settings. After clicking the settings icon, you'll see a table like this, which is important for full use of RF Trader. The first 2 items in these settings are covered in the video about templates, so we'll skip them here. The first thing we'll focus on is the one-click trading setting. If we enable it, we'll be able to place trades with a single click, meaning you just click the buy-sell button and the trade opens immediately. If we disable one-click trading, the risk management calculator will appear before the trade is placed, and we'll set it up in the next steps. The next option is Use automatic trade sizing. If we enable this, we can set an exact risk percentage per trade below. This means the platform will calculate the lot size we should use based on our account size, the stop loss distance, and the preset risk, so we can stay within the selected risk. For example, if we set a 1% risk per trade and want to open a position, the system will immediately calculate the lot size in the risk management calculator, based on a 75 pip stop loss in this case. The next field is Use Advanced Order Volume, where you set a preset risk that you can't change when placing the order. Simply put, it's a strict risk setting. Next, we move to lot trading. If we enable it, we'll be able to open trades in lots. If we disable it, trade sizes will be shown in units. At the bottom of the table, you'll find the default automatic sizes for stop loss, take profit, and trailing stop. You can set this freely based on your preferences. If you don't enable them, you'll still have the option to set stop loss or take profit in the risk management window before placing the trade. If you have any questions, feel free to contact us via our customer support, where we'll be happy to help.